We're a few months into the year now, and we're starting to see this year's top smartphones arrive. Samsung's new Galaxy S24 series landed earlier this year. But the tech giant has more up its sleeve. We know the brand is launching its first smart ring this year, and we expect new foldable phones per the usual schedule. But when? Here's when you can expect the new devices. Excitement is building as Samsung gears up for its next big event. The tech giant is set to hold an unpacked event on July 10th in Paris, where it will unveil the much-anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. This launch is strategically timed to coincide with the Paris Olympics, which kicks off on July 26th, making it a significant move for Samsung. A well-known tipster has just shared more information about Samsung's upcoming foldable. Ice Universe shared an image on X, claiming that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have symmetrical bezels. The thing is, the tipster shared an image showing left and right bezels, showing that they'll be symmetrical, though we still don't know about the top and bottom ones. Chances are, we won't get uniform bezels though, but that would be nice. You can see the image he shared below. Either way, it's nice to see that the side bezels will not only be symmetrical, but also thinner than they were on the previous model, even though the difference will be barely visible. That cover display will also be wider than the Galaxy Z Fold 5's panel, of course. Samsung is changing the display aspect ratio of the cover display. The phone will have a more natural width this time around, as Samsung is dropping the ultra-narrow shape of the previous models, at least based on rumors. According to one rumor, the display will go from 57mm to 60mm in terms of width. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is also said to have sharper corners than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The phone is expected to arrive in July, alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Ring. The rumored launch date is July 10th, though Samsung still didn't confirm it. In any case, the press event is tipped to be held in Paris, France. Do note that some additional Folds and Flips models were mentioned in rumors, but chances are those won't launch in July. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could arrive alongside the Galaxy S25 in Q1 next year. According to Ross Young on X, Samsung plans to launch a slimmer Galaxy Z Fold 6 variant alongside the Galaxy S25 series in early 2025. As the name suggests, the foldable will be thinner than the original. At the same time, it should have a larger display, which would make up for the lack of space for components. However, Samsung also reportedly achieved the thinner design by omitting the digitizer used for pen input. Conversely, this means that the Samsung smartphone will not support the S Pen. Although the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to be the only fold model revealed at the Galaxy Unpacked event this summer, Samsung has been testing two variants of the model with details on a cheaper Z Fold 6 Fan Edition and a more powerful and luxurious Z Fold 6 Ultra. Both models were popular with the community. The consensus is for a single Galaxy Z Fold 6 to launch at the upcoming event, but Young's comment has brought the idea of a variant with a thinner Galaxy Z Fold 6 back into the spotlight. This would see the S Pen and associated digitizer removed from the display, along with several internal changes to reduce the dimensions. Notably, a refreshed Galaxy Z Fold launched in early Q4 would allow Samsung to promote a brand new premium smartphone against Apple's iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Pro handsets, which will launch in September. This confirmation follows sightings of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 hardware on the popular online benchmarking service Geekbench. At that point, it was just a single variant of the handset destined for a specific network, but it was running the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Many in Samsung's community hoped this would be not just a single data point, but a sign that the Z Fold 6 would be exclusively powered by the Snapdragon chipset. Samsung moved back to a mix of Qualcomm's Snapdragon chipset and the in-house Samsung Exynos chipset on 2024's Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus, although the premium Galaxy S24 Ultra was exclusively powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, the same chipset that the ELEC expects to power the Galaxy Z Fold 6 range. The community will be delighted with this news. While the Exynos has better battery endurance, Snapdragon performance is stronger. around 6% ahead of the Exynos in terms of CPU performance, and 20% ahead with 3D performance. That's a trade-off that the community has expressed a desire for over many years of Galaxy releases, with one poll on Sammobile putting support for Snapdragon over Exynos at 83%. Samsung is expected to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 6 at a Paris-bound Galaxy Unpacked event in early July, ahead of its sponsorship of the Summer Olympics in France. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest in tech news. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.